Healy's Cleaning Services are professional oven cleaners, and we will show you how to clean your oven the way that the professionals do. Cleaning the oven is a job that tends to be put off, but is essential to keeping your oven working efficiently and also to maintain a high standard of hygiene in your kitchen. Should you not want to do the job yourself, then just contact us using the details below and we'll be happy to quote for doing the job. The first thing we do is to strip the oven. This entails removing the trays, removable casings and any fan blades there may be. We'll also take out any removable glass so as we can give that a deep clean as well. Next, we'll scrape off any baked food and hardened grease that may prove stubborn to remove otherwise. Once we've prepared the surfaces, we'll spray on a commercial oven cleaner to loosen up any hard carbon deposits and stubborn grease. Details of these products are listed below. Please note that we will receive a small commission on any products that you may purchase using our links. This enables us to fund the channel and produce these information videos. Whilst the cleaning products are doing their job on the oven, we will take the items that we've removed and prepare them for another treatment. In our van we have a heated dip tank where we put the removable items in and leave them to soak. This will break down the grease and residue on them. We will use this process on trays as well, apart from non-ceramic trays which react badly to the process. Once the items have been put into the dip tank and the tank has been secured and locked in the van, we go back to work on the oven. We will then continue to work on any hardened deposits that may need that extra clean. Once we've satisfied that the stubborn particles have been removed, we will clean the oven with an antibacterial spray before buffing it up. Once the oven has been prepared, we then remove the items from the dip tank, rinse them off and put them back into the oven. We then clean any glass that we couldn't remove and the hob, bringing it back to a sparkling finish with a buff up. Just a quick tip before we finish. Once a month, turn the oven and grill on to full power and heat them up for 5 minutes. Let them cool right down and wipe over with a damp cloth to keep them fresh. If you would like us to do your oven cleaning for you, just contact us using the numbers below or visit our website.